Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Afandi. My Matriks number is B0818101004. So today I will explain about lab 4 figure 5. Okay, in figure 5 consists of 3 LCCB to pole 40 ampere connected to MCCB to pole 40 ampere, and then the SPN MCB 6 kilo ampere connect to LCCB 2 pole 40 ampere. Okay. What the function MCB is a type of electrical protection device that is used to protect the electrical circuit from excessive current, which can cause overload and short circuit. Uh, with a current rating of up to 2500 ampere, MCCB can be used for a wide range voltage and frequency with adjustable tip setting. These breakers are used instead of limited circuit breaker (LCD) in large-scale PV systems for system isolation and protection purposes. Okay, MCCB use a temperature-sensitive device, the thermal element with a current-sensitive automatic device, the magnetic element, to provide the tip mechanism for protection and isolation purposes. This enables the MCCB to provide uh, overload protection, electrical fault protection against short circuit current, and electrical switch disconnection. Okay. In overload protection, MCCB provide a temperature sensitive component. It's a temperature sensitive component. This component is essentially a contact which consists of two metals that expand at different rates when exposed to high temperature. During the normal operating condition, the bimetallic contact will allow the electric current to flow through the MCCB. When the current exceeds the trip value, the bimetallic contact will start to heat and bend away due to the different thermal rates of heat expansion within the contact. Eventually, the contact will bend to the point uh, of physically pushing the tip bar and unlatching the contact, causing the circuit to be interrupted. Okay. Another MCB operation is electrical fault protection against short circuit current, which is provide an instantaneous response to a short circuit fault based on the principle of electromagnetism. And lastly, MCCB uh, operate to electrical switch for disconnection, and which is MCB can also be used a manual disconnection switch in case of emergency or maintenance operation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamizan bin Roslim. Matriks number B0818101042. Today I want to discuss about my assignments on power distribution system design for lab 4 figure 5. This is the circuit from the switchboard that I get for the lab 4. Okay, current will flow through the MCCB, and then it will go through each of the phases of three-phase system. Current from the MCCB will flow with amount of 40 ampere to the each phase of three-phase, red, yellow, blue, and goes to RCCD. RCCD means of residual current circuit breaker. Is a current sensing device which can automatically measure and disconnect the circuit whenever a fault occurs in the connected circuit or the current exceeds the rated sensitivity. The operation of RCCB is when an earth fault happens, currents enter the earth wire by accident such as accidental contact with open wire. As a result, the current returning through the neutral wire is reduced. The difference in current between the leaf and neutral wire is called residual current. RCCB is designed such a way that it continuously senses the residual current or the differences in current values between the leaf and neutral wires. Therefore, unless the residual current does not surpass the limit, the RCCB will disconnect the circuit. Okay, the key is the amount of 40 ampere it will cut off, and then current will flow through each B which amount of 10 ampere. Okay, MCB is stands for miniature circuit breaker. It automatically switches off electrical circuit during any abnormal condition in the electrical network such as overload and short circuit condition. However, fuse may sense this condition, but it must be replaced through MCB. Tough MCB can be reset. The MCB is an electromechanical device which guards the electrical wire and electrical load from overcurrent to avoid any kind of fire or electrical hazard. Handling MCB is quite safer and it quickly restores the supply. When it comes to house application, MCB is the most preferred choice for overload and short circuit protection. MCB